decent. So this is our turf tamer. This is what spreads our fertilizer. I'm gonna load the machine, both bins, with pre-emergent, and that's gonna spread evenly. We have the machine calibrated so it'll be set properly. And then we're gonna spray the weeds as we see them out of our booms on each side of the machine to help catch those weeds to keep that yard looking good. And then up front here, down low, we're gonna put the edge guard on. So we're gonna make sure we get a nice tight line on that edge to help that crabgrass from popping through, so that it doesn't choke out our good grass. As you can see, we're going in a counterclockwise pattern with overlapping coverage to make sure we get a proper spread on the whole lawn, proper treatment. We don't want to leave gaps because then we'll leave lines in the yard and there'll be dark green lines and then light green. So we want to make sure we're overlapping so it looks right. Round especially, we want to make sure we get really good coverage, especially on the edges. Crabgrass is going to push out our good grass, and it makes it harder for that new good grass, if we're doing any seeding or anything, to actually grow in. So that's why we got to get a really good job on the prodiamine spread round one, so that we can prevent that from coming in this fall or this summer. Thank you.